All right. Now we spoke about a trend. Now, how do we find out if the stock is slipping into a consolidation? Right? We spoke about CPR Confluence. CPR slips into a consolidation. Prices slip into consolidation, but we don't know. Right? That's the advantage of a CPR Confluence, where you get to understand. Okay, you get to understand. Okay, the CPR is not moving. The CPR is maybe stuck somewhere. So that can be found out when you take a look at any of these stock here. So let's see, where is are we getting a CPR Confluence? You can see here persistent, right? Persistent is showing 2.1. So what does that mean? It means that after moving up steadily for two days, the CPR has, there is a overlap. There is a CPR overlap. When there is a CPR overlap, you get this 0.1, 0.2. So you can see here Ambuja Cement 1.1, Ramco Cement 1.1, Idea 1.2. So the dot, the decimal indicates that the CPR, after moving in a ladder wise manner, all right, it is slipping into a sideways fish. So let's go and take a look at persistent. Okay, I'm clicking the chart of persistent, and let's put on the CPR here. Okay, so this is the chart here of persistent, and you can see that after moving up, okay, this moved up yesterday, and now today it has slipped into a consolidation. So you can see here it moved up for 2 days and then it slipped up. So here you can see that there is a consolidation. Now let's see another example. Let's go back here. You can see that you are having 2.1 in ICICI Pru. So now if you go and take a look at ICICI Pru, right? So you will see here that the setup, okay, you can see here that again it moved up. See here that it moved up, right? So it made 1, then it made 2, and then it is 2.1. So that is the counting which is happening here. And with that counting, you will be able to get a very good idea. Okay, so now it is slipped into consolidation. I should be careful. So how to get alerted about the market? That's what we do at NeoTrader, and that is the various kinds of input which you get from the entire CPR page. So this CPR page is designed to give you very, very good idea about when a trend is emerging, when the prices are going to consolidate, and when there is a reversal, it will always be reflected on this page. So now if you're going to take a look at this page, and if you want to find out, okay, if you want to find out if when a stock is getting ready, so the best time to look at that is when it is in level 2. So suppose it is in level 2, and you know that there are some stocks which are already having a bullish scenario. So yes, level 2 is a good stage for you to start preparing. So level 3 is a scenario where the stocks have already moved. But if you want to prepare some stocks in advance, then you could consider level 2 as a suitable area to participate. All right. So now what we have seen is using the level 1 approach. Let's go and check out how can we find out some trades using the level 1.